Alright, today I have recycling bin, deletion, Automator 1.0. This is my own program that I own, that I, made myself, because somebody kind of requested it if I could do this, or something like that, and I made it for them. The recycling bin program, it deletes everything at your recycling bin, basically. I have 64-bit and I have 32-bit version. So, let's get started and just, I'll show you guys how it works. So, we're just going to put, just something random in the recycling bin. There's nothing in here. I didn't mean to do that. Whoops. But yeah, there's nothing in here as you can see. So let's put something in there. Now we have something in there. Now we're just going to want to double click on whatever version of Windows you're running. x86 means 32-bit. x64 means 64-bit. I'm running Windows 7 64-bit. As you can see right there. And to check this, you click Start button, Computer, right click, Properties. Or if you're on the Windows 8 Consumer Preview, you go to, you do this. You open up Explorer, go to Computer, right click right here, click Properties. Then it brings you up to here. Or you could just hold down the Windows key and press pause break at the same time. Like, hold them both down and then it brings up this. So that's how you check. See what operating system you're on. It will say system type 64-bit. Everything like that. And your processor, RAM, all that extra stuff. Do you want to change the color scheme to improve performance? Let me think about this for a minute. No. Why the hell would I want to change my color scheme? Windows is like fucking retarded, I tell you. Like, Windows thinks that, like, my GPU is like total shit or something because I'm recording. That's a bit funny. I'm going to keep the current scheme and never show it again because I don't want to see that shit. Anyways, let's get on with this. I'm going to double click 64-bit and there we go. What we have. The recycling bin has been successfully emptied. Okay. Open it up and nothing there. So this works for as many objects as you have in there. It deletes exactly everything out of the recycling bin. I'll just show you guys, and I'll duplicate this a bunch of times. I'll put it in the recycling bin. So now I have a bunch of new text documents. This is proof an example. So it's in there. Now let's double click the program. Boom. They're all gone. And if you're on 64-bit Windows, you can run the 64-bit version or the 32-bit version. That's a good thing about 64-bit compatibility when you're on there, is you can run both. You can run 32-bit and you can run your native 64-bit. But with 32-bit, you can only run, 32-bit. You can't run 64, but with 64, it's both of them. So I would recommend getting a 64-bit capable processor with at least 2 cores or 4 cores is what I would recommend. Dual cores are best for just casual, or whatever you want to do, but some hardcore gaming, you're going to want to do a quad core at least. But if you have a dual core and you have like a really nice NVIDIA graphics card, ATI, Radeon, it's not really going to matter, but a single core is going to be some total shit. So let's just let that be a reminder. I have a dual core processor, as you can see. These are 2 individual cores right there. If you want to know how you can check if you have 2 individual cores or if you have 2 logical cores and not physical, just request it and I'll teach you guys a bunch of stuff about Windows. Because I know pretty much a lot. Anyway, I'll test the 32-bit version right now so I can show you that it works for us too. And as you can see, it's gone. So, you will not have to run this as administrator. It's nothing like that, but if you do run it and it, doesn't empty it, I guess you would have to run it as administrator, but I don't have any problems because my user account control on Windows is turned off, which everybody should do that because it's extremely annoying to have it on. But it's your personal preference. It just saves you from having to right-click and click Run as Administrator each time, which is really, really, really annoying. So, yeah. I thought I'd point that out. So, if you want the wallpaper, it will be in the description below, and these programs will be in the description below, free of charge to you to have them. And I made them myself and stuff. And if you find any bugs with them, any glitches, if something doesn't work right, tell me about it and I'll fix it. I'll make a version 1.1. Or if you want me to add some features to it, or just whatever you want to be done. But it seems like it works pretty good for right now as a stable release itself. So I'll have it down below, and the icon is just because of the program I used to make it. So I could change the icon if I wanted, but I didn't really feel like it, so I just left it the way it was. It seems fine. But you have a nice day, you guys, and thank you for watching. Peace out.